It's pretty easy to learn how to change the oil in your car, and you can save time and money. This one shows you how to do it step by step. Remove the drain plug and let the oil drain out. You can use a magnet so you don't drop the drain plug into the oil. If the engine is cold, let it run for a few minutes to make sure the oil is warm. This will get as many impurities out as possible. This can be old oil and metal particles from wear and tear on the engine. If you are happy with your car, you can consider shortening the interval by up to 50%. This way, the car will get better oil to run in and last longer. Use a cleaning fluid to clean the drain plug and the area around the threaded hole. This reduces the risk of dirt getting into the oil system. Install a new gasket on the drain plug. It can be reused once if you don't have a new one, but it's best to use a brand new gasket. Install the drain plug and tighten it to about 16 Newton meters. Depending on the car model, look it up in a repair manual. Fill in the correct amount of oil with the correct viscosity and specifications. Look it up in a repair manual. It may be an advantage to use a measuring jug so that you don't end up filling the engine with too much oil. Also remember to replace the oil filter. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching the video.